Good Monday morning. There's the good news. The sun is back. I am so excited about this. But last night, when the skies began to clear off, I looked out and I saw the first star that I had seen in days. And I was so excited that finally the freezing drizzle, the snow, out of the picture. And today we get to bask in the glory of some bright, chilly, but tranquil sunshine. Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, and happy Monday. Well, it is a happy day. I mean, we're so thrilled to get rid of that storm system that brought us the sloppy weather over the weekend. It's pretty nasty stuff. We had that freezing drizzle for a time yesterday, snow showers that yielded overall about an inch of snow between Saturday night and Sunday here in Rochester. Of course, earlier than that, the first phase of that system was actually a separate area of low pressure altogether. That was on Tuesday night and Wednesday that brought us almost 7 inches of snow. So it's that whole stretch of weather is behind us. The holiday weekend that we were hoping would yield some nice weather for travel conditions, that didn't pan out. We had some of the worst holiday weekend travel weather we could have ever expected or ever experienced. But finally, at least that's now in the rearview mirror, and we get to enjoy a new month. We've turned the page. Now we have sunshine. Here we go. Starting actually yesterday, but overall now the first work week in December. So there we go. We have some sunshine. Blue sky as we look northward with our Gwaltney Group camera from the studio. It's 10 degrees right now in Rochester, 10 in Albert Lee, 18 in Charles City. Light breeze. Winds have really diminished in the overnight hours into this morning, only 9 miles per hour, 3 below, though, that current wind chill. This is the coldest morning in 20 days. We go back to around, I believe it was the 12th of November when we had that spell of really cold, near record cold weather. Right around Veterans Day. 3 below the wind chill in Rochester, 4 below zero the way it feels right now in Mason City, 7 above in Austin. Again, the winds are light. There's the sunshine in the day planner, 25, the expected high around 4 o'clock. Sunset 4:33. Here's satellite radar, again, confirming the good news. We have high pressure. There it is doing its job, scouring out those clouds. A departing storm system bringing several inches of snowfall to upstate New York, Pennsylvania, even a little rain-snow mixture to West Virginia. But for us, we're behind that system now. We are enjoying a break from active weather today, and we will stick with that theme through the rest of the week. Next chance of any type of precipitation, kind of a small chance, and that comes up late on Sunday. Otherwise, until then, a relatively mild pattern after today anyway. We're going to have some 30s and we're going to have some sunshine pretty much each day. Temperatures across the region, 10 in Rochester, 21 in Green Bay, 2 below zero in Duluth to start our Monday, 9 in Fargo. There's that pocket of cold air to this dry Canadian high pressure. Clouds begin to increase very late today and through tonight. There's a little disturbance north of us. It's going to generate more of a southerly breeze. That's going to keep temperatures actually steady or maybe even climbing through the night. So temperatures in the 20s for the overnight hours. Tomorrow, occasional sun and clouds, kind of a brisk breeze, but we start off in the 20s. We'll still manage to see some low 30s tomorrow, just enough sunshine to make that happen. And then here comes some high pressure behind that. Lighter winds for Wednesday and Thursday, and we see more of that Pacific modified zonal flow pattern. In other words, from west to east, not from north, not Canadian air. This is coming out of the Pacific, but relatively dry air with domination of high pressure. So a quiet spell of relatively decent temperatures. Keep in mind, right around the freezing mark, or maybe a little below that, would be more typical this time of the year. But we're going to be low and mid 30s pretty much each day, heading into the end of the work week and the weekend. So the 6th to the 10th, that's a 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. So relatively warm or mild, at least to the end of the weekend. I'm thinking next week is going to feature a bit of a cool down. So there are some colder days next week, but this week and through this weekend, things look decent. 25 in Rochester today, 27 Mason City, 22 in Owatonna. Mostly sunny, west winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clouds increase, a brisk south breeze develops late that draws in at least some slightly warmer air, 22. And then tomorrow, 31, partly sunny, a brisk west breeze, at times 20 miles per hour. So a little breezier. Temperatures, though, overall doing pretty well. And that sunshine, and that's one of the things you have to remember in the winter, doesn't necessarily have to be above freezing for the sun to really do that magic, work its magic. It warms the pavement, and dark pavement it will warm up in that sun. Even if it's below freezing, that surface temperature gets above freezing and melt away some of that ice, and that will help the sidewalks and certainly, I think, help those highways today and over the next couple of days. And there's that wintry mixture late Sunday. But until then, the great news is we get a break from active weather. No more snow, or new snow anyway to shovel, no freezing drizzle and things like that, that nasty stuff we had over the holiday weekend. And we go back to sun here this week. So enjoy that sunshine and have a great Monday, everybody.